Hi, thanks so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some kitchen drawer organization ideas. I'm going to be doing my junk drawer, my spice drawer, and also my silverware drawer. This is the 5th video in my kitchen organization series. I have one on underneath the sink, my pantry, and a couple more I think you will find really helpful. So I'm going to link that playlist down below. But if you're new here and it's your first time stopping by, I would love it if you would please consider subscribing. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. All right, with that said, let's get started.
Here's a before of my silverware drawer. I had a little container that held all of my knives and then just the standard everyday, silverware container. I had a small little container that held all of our reusable straws, and then that was it. Everything else was just kind of thrown in here, and it works, but it's not easy to find what you need. And since so many other areas of the kitchen were getting organized, I figured I would organize this drawer as well. So here's the after, and I love that the silverware container extends. Mine's fully extended, but you could make this smaller if you didn't need it to be as wide or if your drawer wasn't as wide as mine. So I like that you can basically make this to fit any drawer. And here's my knife block, which, fun fact, if you guys didn't know, I was a food prep at my first job as a teenager, so I knew that sticking them in that bin was not the proper way to store my knives. So when I found this one that I can keep in my drawer and I didn't have to have it out on the counter, I was pretty excited about that. And then as you can see in the back, I just stored my less used items like my turkey baster and my candy thermometer. I really don't use those often, so those can stay in the back, and when I need them, I can still grab them easily. Next is our junk drawer, and we just have a bunch of obviously random items thrown in here. I keep our mail in here, bills, coupons. This is where I toss any of the batteries out of the packaging, and just anything else that nobody knows what to do with, it goes in here. I found this battery organizer on Amazon, and I love it because it holds an assortment of battery sizes, and it doesn't have a top on it, so when I open the drawer I can just easily grab whatever battery I need. If you have kids, you know you're changing batteries all the time. A nice cool feature too is that it has a battery tester, so you can just put your batteries here and see if they're good or bad. I'll make sure to link this as well as all of the other products I'm using in today's video down in the description box. I have a lot of people ask me where they can find the links to the products I've used in my videos, and if you click show more under this video, you will see all of the links. I list everything and I give you guys a direct link to where you can find what you're looking for. I love how the after turned out. I used the container I was using for my reusable straws, and now I'm just using them for my pencils and my scissors and pens. Next to that is where the battery holder fits. Below that, we have a small set of screwdrivers for like little screws for toys, a flashlight, and some command strips. We use these all the time. Next to that, I have this dollar store bin, and I'm using it to hold all of the little items like paper clips. And this is probably my favorite part of this drawer. It's a low profile paper tray, and I have 3 paper trays in my house, and none of them would fit because our drawers are pretty shallow. So this was nice because it fits and allows the drawer to close. Onto the spice drawer, and this is the drawer that probably annoys me the most. I will get it all set up and it'll look nice, and then we'll take spices out to make dinner and open and close the drawer, and then they all slide around and it becomes a mess. I decided a really inexpensive way for me to fix this problem was to get some non-slip grip liner. I got this on Amazon, and this is after I used what I needed. I still have all of this left. This roll was pretty cheap, and I can use this for a bunch of things around the house. I really wanted this spice drawer liners, but if I got this, I could only fit 5 spices across, and as you can see here in my after, I'm able to fit 7 spice jars across using the non-grip one. When I pull these in and out, they still stay where they're supposed to, they don't move, and this was half the price as those really nice spice liners, and I do really like those spice liners, and if I had the room for them, I probably would have gotten them, but when I realized it was going to take up more room in my drawer, I was thinking, what else can I use? And I thought about this, and for half the price, price, this solves the problem and it makes everything still look really nice and easily accessible. I will link the other spice liner down below in case you like that one better too. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified when I post new videos. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.